Hello, I am Dr. Uday Ravi Bhatt from Prajna Veterinary Clinic. Today we are going to talk about monsoon care in pets. While monsoon provides much needed respite from the summer heat, it can be a cause of concern for the pets too. As a responsible pet owner, one should be very much aware the do's and don'ts in monsoon. One should ensure that pets vaccination are done as per the regular schedule, as there can be outbreaks of viral diseases in monsoon. One should ensure that deworming is done as per schedule also. In some breeds of dogs, interdigital pyoderma is common in monsoon, that is infection in between the digits and in the paws and inflammation. Sometimes there will be bleeding also. To avoid this, after a walk we have to use a foot dip. It may be a clean bowl of water, or you can use potassium permanganate lotion to clean the foot after a walk and then towel dry it. Then we can use any antiseptic dusting powder, or we can use any antiseptic lotion, so which will prevent interdigital pyoderma to a great extent. Also, in monsoon we have to make sure that the dog's nails which are extra grown should be trimmed off, and we can use a filer also to file it and make it blunt, which will avoid lot of infections getting lodged in the nails and creating other problems. Maintaining the coat during monsoon is very important, especially the underbelly. When we take the dog out for a walk, the underbelly may get wet, and wet coat even with the mats can be a very bad create very bad odor, and it can be a cause for pyoderma, dermatitis, even fungal infections, flea bite allergies. The moist coat even with the mats can be a good home for breeding ticks and fleas, which may cause flea bite allergy and tick borne diseases also in the later on. Some breeds of dogs which have long drooping ears, like Labradors, Beagles and Cocker Spaniels, in them the otitis, that is ear infections, are very common in monsoon. We have to make sure that the ears are cleaned regularly to avoid otitis. Diet should be balanced properly. Overfeeding or too much frequent feeding or feeding too much of watery food is not advisable in monsoon. Too much feeding, the dog may have to go for micturition and defecation frequently. So avoid feeding frequently. Feed only twice a day during monsoon. Some of the waterborne diseases and viral infections are very common during monsoon, like parvoviral gastroenteritis, coronaviral gastroenteritis. To avoid this, we have to make sure that the dog's feeding bowls are dry and clean, so that there will not be any contamination. We also should avoid waterlogged areas. These are few tips and important things that will help you to keep your pet safe, happy and healthy during monsoon.